Hola, buenos días. Hoy I'm going to talk about los números. Sabes is a great word, so you're going to get that. And sabes means you know. So sabes, unos números, you know some numbers. To remember the word sabes, well, sabes is like Jack Sparrow's savvy, he says. So sabes means you know, and savvy is something like you know when Jack Sparrow uses it. So if you want to make a question, do you know, is sabes los números? Español, no es difícil. Another word I want to give you is que. Manuel comes from Barcelona. Manuel no habla mucho inglés. Su jefe, his boss, no habla absolutamente nada de inglés. So, Manuel, as an expresión de su confusión, ends up having the catchphrase, que? You know how to say you know, so can you make do you know is sabes, so can you make do you know what? Sabes que, right? That's nice. Sabes que hoy es día 12. 12 is 12. 10 más 2 son 12. So, hoy quiero hablar de los números. There's some really good videos on YouTube, and I'll post a link para practicar counting, contar. There's a lovely one where each number is represented by a person who is that old. So you go from 0, 1, 2, and each one is a different face of a different persona. It's beautiful. I'll put the link on. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I hope they're right, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then the next one I think we'll call once. Once is written O-N-C-E, so it looks like the English word once, once, and 12 is doce, so we'll call that 12. Doce, D-O-C-E. If you're lisping, doce, but I'm not, so doce, doce. En mi opinión, es bueno practicar los números with a little game. So I'm going to show you a game. Y la idea del juego, the word for game is juego. Isn't that nice? It's got a little and it's related to the word juggle. It starts with a J, is J-U-E-G-O, juego, juego. So I'm going to show you un juego with cards. Y la idea is that you add up cards to once. So if you put 12 cards down on the table, but put all the picture cards to the back, then you've got to add up cards to make once, 11. So you've got the cards lying flat, and I'll show you, I'll link a little clip of a video for that, so watch that too. And then you've got to add them up. So 9 más 2 son 11. So you'd cover those up. Listen to the language. 1 más 10. So más means more, but it also means add. Listen. 3 más 8 son 11. Son means they are, but that's how they say it. We say siete más cuatro. So we say 7 add 4. They say siete más cuatro. Siete más cuatro son 11. 5 más 6 son 11. 8 más 3 son 11. And if you cover up the cards and then al final each one gets covered with a picture card, that then is out of play, and you end up with some really nicely shuffled cards. Es una idea para practicar los números. Y sabes qué? I like los juegos. Es una buena manera para practicar. Mañana we're going to do I want, you want, your majesties want. So come back mañana after having a lovely juego and find out what that's all about. I want, you want, your majesties want. Find out mañana. Hasta mañana. Adiós.